In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zoho Books quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger enterprise, Zoho Books is an excellent tool for managing your finances. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together so that you can confidently navigate to where you need to be within Zoho Books. First things first, to get started, you need to head over to the Zoho Books website. You can easily do this by opening up your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other, and simply typing in the URL zoho.com/books. This will bring you right to Zoho Books' main page. If you've been there before, you might already be logged in, which will save you a step. But if not, you'll want to log in using your Zoho account credentials. Keep your username and password handy for this part. This action will take you to the dashboard page, your primary hub within Zoho Books. Once you've successfully logged into Zoho Books, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. The dashboard is a comprehensive workspace that offers you a snapshot of your business's financial situation. It can display various widgets that give you quick insights into your accounts, income, expenses, and other critical data. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard will greatly benefit your routine financial assessments, so take a moment to look around. Not only does it give you an overview, but it also allows you to navigate to other sections of Zoho Books seamlessly. Now, on to the next step. As you explore the dashboard, you'll notice your profile name or business name probably placed at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile name is your gateway to accessing more personalized settings within Zoho Books. This section is crucial because it houses various settings that allow you to customize and manage your Zoho Books account to better serve your business needs. It's a small but mighty part of the navigation that connects you to more in-depth features. Next, after you click on your profile name, you'll see an option labeled Manage. Clicking on Manage opens up another layer of options within your Zoho Books account. This step is vital. Manage isn't just a button, it's your ticket to the backstage of your Zoho Books platform where you can oversee a broader range of settings and configurations. Once in the Manage section, one of the primary tasks will be selecting the organization you're managing within Zoho Books. Now, depending on whether you have multiple organizations set up or just one, you'll see the name or names listed. This option lets you navigate to the specific organization's dashboard where you can then start working with your accounts, invoices, and other financial documentation relevant to that business. If you only manage one organization, this step confirms that you're in the correct account, avoiding any mix-up, especially if your business dealings use several accounts. By following these steps, you now have access to your Zoho Books account, ready for whichever financial management tasks lie ahead. Remember that the first time you perform these actions, it might take a bit longer as you familiarize yourself with the layout, but over time it will become second nature, allowing you to swiftly manage your business's finances with just a few clicks. It's important to note that Zoho Books not only provides a user-friendly interface, but also offers several features to help make managing your finances easier. From invoice templates to tracking all your expenses efficiently, it becomes an important ally for any business. Furthermore, Zoho Books also keeps up with your data security requirements, ensuring that your financial information is stored safe and sound. And there you have it. Opening Zoho Books and accessing your financial dashboard doesn't need to be a complicated affair. With these simple steps, you're ready and equipped to manage your finances with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in opening Zoho Books. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments section or check out additional resources linked below. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.